Hey there. You're awake, right? I hope you're comfortable because we have a bit of work to do. But don't worry. I'm here with you. We'll do this together. So I know things have been tense. It's almost like the world's been holding its breath waiting. Tonight, we prepare for what's coming. We've known for a while now, and strange as it sounds, it's almost comforting to just let go and accept that the time has come. Civilization as we know it is changing. But we're here, right now, grounding ourselves, finding peace in little things.